What's going on, guys? Zeddy of Fliptronics. I'm going to be breaking down eToro crypto for beginners and also going over some of the best coins that I think could really moon going into the rest of this year and then into next year. Okay, before we get into this, I want to recommend everybody check out the StackTheCrypto.com trading course. Now, this is going to be good for anybody who's just getting into crypto, but even if you've been in it for a while, you'll learn some of the different trading strategies, being day trading, swing trading, long-term trading. Now, there are a lot of good tips in this course. Otherwise, I wouldn't be recommending it, so I'll throw a link in both the description and comments if you want to check it out. All right, so I would say the coolest thing about using eToro crypto is the fact that it's like a social trading app. Now, I've pointed this out in previous videos, but basically, if you're looking to get a coin on here, they have communities within these coins where you can make friends with people. You can chat to give your opinion. Currently, I own only 2 different coins. I've got $500 in both XRP and Tron. And you can see I'm up a little bit on XRP, $10. Not a whole lot there, but Tron I'm down on, but it's all good because I plan on holding these coins for, quite a while. But XRP, I'm going to pull it up right here. I'm going to show you, basically how the chat works. Now, whether you're on your phone or your computer, you can literally just, get into these conversations, get feedback from people. It's really cool. And I mean, I think that makes, crypto trading a lot better, honestly, when you're able to talk to people about, what's going on with the projects and, just giving your opinion on prices and things like that. It just changes the game. But XRP, this is one of those coins that I would definitely recommend, looking at. This isn't financial advice. But I think, going into 2021, that coin has a lot of potential and it's got a good price point on it right now. As long as you're getting it in that 20-cent range or even in that high teen range, it's a good one. And then Neo, this is the Chinese Ethereum killer. Now, its all-time high was well over $100. I've seen some people give some ridiculous price predictions on this coin of going over $300 soon. But, I think if you can get it between 15 and 18 bucks, it's definitely one of those coins that's going to go up, as long as regulations keep happening in wherever, China, Japan, Asia, places like that. I think Neo is a really good one to kind of hold on to for a long time. Just get it between 15 and 18. Okay, then Cardano. I like this coin a lot, but I don't like it right now where it's at. It needs to go back under 10 cents, and I would definitely buy this one and hold on to it. A lot of people like Cardano. I do as well, but it does come down to getting it at the right price. And as long as you're getting it under 10 cents and you're willing to hold on to it, it's a good one. Then, of course, Tron. Now, Tron is one that I really like because there's a lot of upside to it. It's been in the 1 to 3 cent range for, the last year and a half or so. But if it breaks out, which I think it's gonna, I think we could get up to 10 cents and above going into 2021 and beyond. So I think it's a bargain. It could retrace a little bit, but as long as you're willing to hold on to it for a while, I like it a lot. Then, of course, you got XLM. I absolutely love this coin. It's definitely been hurting, kind of like XRP. It's been in that 3 to 7 to 6 cent range. It went over 10 cents recently, but I think if you can get this coin under 10 cents and then you're willing to hold on to it for a good amount of time, whether it be 6 months to a couple of years, I definitely see the price, going up on this one quite a bit. I'm hoping 20 to 30 cents in 2021 at some point. So anyways, guys, if you want to learn more about eToro, I'll also have some resource links in both the description and comments of this video. I'm going to be adding more money to my account pretty soon here. You guys could also smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.